Hello everyone, this is Mori from Henan Gondor Group. Today let me introduce our cleaning machines for fruit and vegetables for you. Let me introduce them one by one for you. First, this is a conveyor belt. We put the vegetables or fruit on there, and then it will convey to the second machine. This is a set of bubble cleaning machine, and this machine have several main parts. Let me introduce them. First, you can see there have many yellow nozzles on there, and the nozzles will come out the bubble water. It will push and washing the vegetables. So its washing effect is more better than the normal water. And the second part, you can see there have two big rollers, and the roller will, and when the vegetables come out from there, the roller will push it and will separate the impurities on the vegetables. And at their part, the water will flow out and will push the impurities to this small box. You can see like this. And next, you can see there have a big chain. About the big chain, its function is also to push the vegetables under the water. Then it will have a better effect to wash. Also, the water will come out from that side. The water will flow out with the impurities to this part. You can see this is a big water tank. For this machine, the water is cycle. We use the water cycle for this part. That is, the water will cycle at this tank and the whole site machine. This will save the water. So this is a four-site bubble cleaning machine. After washing, we need to dry the vegetables. First, this is a vibrate machine. It will shake and it will remove the most water on the vegetables. The second, this is the air dryer. It will blow the air on the vegetables. And then this is a conveyor belt. The vegetables will come out at there. This is a slide table for workers. It can slide the bad part to there. So this is outside cleaning machines. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Thank you.